Alright, hi guys. It's been a while since I dropped a long video. I got several that are in the works in the editing. Get me to stop long enough to sit down at the computer and edit all day. Really not my thing, but this video I'm going to show you on the back here what I've been doing. I've been doing lots of stuff on the little brown truck, lots of home projects around here and stuff. Just haven't been filming nothing. Today we've been working on this, so we're going to start out. And I did this the other day, one evening. I got this all bent up. I'm not sure. This is what I'm going to go with. So today I'm going to show you before, after. And I'm going to show you how I did it. Quick, it's pretty easy. It didn't take me all that long. Just a matter of getting out here and doing it. So there's nothing to it but to do it. So let's do it. Okay, so what you can see as I've done is I've already marked it out. I took a flat straight edge. Once I established that one and kind of went with it on that side over there, I used a straight edge, did some measurement to make sure that I was straight across on this side. I then did a vertical plumb. However you do it, I don't care. But that's what I did. I just used a level, had a mark, and plumbed it straight down. Double checked my measurements across here and a few other little things. And I established my line here that I'm going to cut. Now I'm not cutting all the way through it. I am cutting down to this line right here across the top. We'll make this cut. I'm going to cut right here where this body line is, and then I cut from here down. Then I will take and bend it right there and right there just by hand, slowly trying to manipulate it to establish what we did on this side over here. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get this side caught up, and I'm filming it this time. I'm going to try better. So first of the year, I'm really going to start trying to slow down my video editing, my whole 9 yards, all of it. So that's what we're doing. So, disclaimer to all you guys out there that are real body guys. I am not. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I've never even, imagined to try doing it, but that's what we're doing it. So, now I gotta remember how I did it, because it was about 4 days ago. I think, just kind of go like that. There's it. And we bent that flat. Manipulate that, suck that in. Oh, I scratched the paint. Damn it. I hate it when I do that. Okay. Now I'm going to get a marker. I don't know if you can see or not. I'll grab a Sharpie up here, and we're going to trace this line out. Take our grinder, cut that out. And again, I know I am no body guy. I'm not even a sheet metal guy, let alone what I'm trying to do here. The best part is they got the light for you guys to see and not so much me, but alright, we got that cut out. The best part of cutting sheet metal is it is quick and easy. Let's bend this down. Let's get that around there. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take my flap wheel and I'm going to flatten this out a little closer to what I want. I'll have to tap in here, and that's how I ended up denting that one, is trying to manipulate this seam right here, which I don't know, there's a trick and I'm sure somebody knows how to do it. I'm not the guy, but I'm going to definitely do some body work on it. Somebody just shit their pants when I did that. You real body guys are like, what in the hell? I'm not a body guy. I'm not a sheet metal guy. I'm some hillbilly in the woods. Redneck that lives out in the woods. Likes to tear shit up and do stuff. So, okay, so you might be able to see part of this. So we get the light up in here. So you can see we split it there, and we're just going to manipulate this. Now we got to do a little bit of manipulation right here with this gap. But you can see how the top has come together for me right there. So we got a little bit right there. I'm going to trim this off a little bit right here on that. Come up, and we're going to start tacking it. And as I tack it, I'm just going to start tacking through here. And I'm going to clean it up as I go. That's going to be a dent. It's going to match that dent. And then Okay, so here's where I'm at. I got her kind of stitched up, and it is ugly, and I mean ugly, but it ain't nothing that a good grinder guy can't do, which I happen to be good at a grinder. So here we go. That's where we're at. Let's get her cleaned up and see how bad it really is. Now all I'm doing is I'm going to put a vertical line right here to take this extra off before I switch out my grinders. Take a left straight edge, level. Now we'll take our cutoff wheel and we'll cut that bad boy off. Because you can understand every word I say with a marker in my mouth. So now I've got her cleaned up and grounded up. You know, it ain't terrible. Got her smoothed up, nice. That turned out good. I got a few little holes. And what I'll do is I'll take my flashlight and I'll stick my flashlight on the back side so that I can see. And I missed this seam here when I was welding. I got that, but that's going to just be that way. A little hole here. And then I will go back over it and I will fill these holes in with my welder. And we'll grind her down one more time. But pretty easy, really. You can see where my magnet is right now. It's on so I'll take that light and flash it in there, and now you can see I got a couple holes. Not too bad. One up there, but so there it is. I'll show you when I got her caught up. Okay, so I got her kind of. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. I was plugging along on it here, and this is what I came up with. Let me get you here squared away. Alright. Now, disclaimer, I am not a body guy. So, but I still have a couple pinholes as it comes down that edge there. You can see, but you know what? This is an off-road. It's not a show rig per se by any means. I'm not a body guy by any means. In fact, I've never done it before in my life. This is what I came up with for turning the back. There's that one. There's this one. So now I'm going to build this little bracket, which I already built this. I got to punch a hole, tack weld that into place over here, and that's going to keep this from flapping. Give it some rigidity right there. We haven't made up our mind whether we're doing another one up here yet or not. So there it is. So check this out. We're working on this as well. Let me get you back here. So I'm also working on this back here. I'm debating whether to try and straighten out this big dent right here and cutting this skin off of the tailgate that is kind of trashed. Straightening that out and using that as a filler piece across the back there. So that'll probably be one of my next videos. I don't know if I'll put it on this one or not, to be honest with you. But I'm going to get this skin cut out today. Do a little filming on it. I'll probably lay it out, cut it. I just think grinding and watching me cut is kind of boring. I'm not real good at talking while I'm doing stuff, so I'm doing it simple-minded, you know. Anyway, so I might do that, but that's my idea for the back. But tell me what you think. This is what it looks like now. We got my one little tab there to do. Get out of the way. I got more. Oh, but this is what we've come up with so far for the back. Yeah, so I'm actually starting to like it. It's starting to come together. So thanks for watching Muddy Boots Off-Road. Like, subscribe, all that good horse shit that goes along with it.